Oh, this morning here we are toward the end of February, and look at the beautiful day. It's supposed to go up into the high 40s, and we're waiting for Bob Pelican to join us. We're going to take a little ride up to the Hibernia area. Oh, this is we're landing them on the aircraft carrier for the first time. Come in, pull the wheel chocks up. Watch out, the Viet Cong's looking out the window. Hey, welcome to Windy's World, where everything goes wrong all the time.
Hey, great.
Turbo, it's not Steve, Turbo Steve.
I've seen you.
And the world famous, now world famous, he's on a Windy video.
I've seen you on,
oh, that looks nice.
Videos.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I did a lot of work to this, you know.
So give me the history of this one. I haven't seen this one yet.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even ride this one yet, so I mean this is a virgin to me.
I bought this new in 2000 motorcycle.
Oh wow, nice. It's clean as a whistle. She's inside. Tell her to come out and meet our new friend. The women are coming out to check up on us. We're not doing a drug deal out here. Hey, the bike really looks nice though.
Well, you know, I don't go crazy with it trying to keep it clean because it's a durable bike. You know, I just put a little WD on there.
What year is it?
It's a 98. Year is it? So
okay.
I'm going to get historic plates this year.
Oh, great.
Put them on and
great.
Now remember,
you could ride with the big boys or the old boys.
Plates, on the application it says you can only use this for parades
or for going to Windy's house.
Educational purposes.
Yeah, well, you're always educating. Right? Oh, yeah, but they don't.
So if a cop stops you,
yeah,
you tell the cop, ask me something about the bike.
Yeah.
How many cc's? 900. I just educated you.
Okay.
Tell them you know Turbo Steve. They'll give you. They'll put the cuffs on.
The funny part is the cops. They know anything about.
Oh, and he's here still. You're still here.
He never goes home. He lives under the car. Turbo Steve, the homeless man. You gotta have some fun here. All right, Steve, take this around a block and scuff those tires in for him. But what kind of...
And it's a Bell radar detector.
A Bell radar detector?
Yeah, 985. It's an old one, but
okay.
I don't care.
But it still works, right?
Oh, it works great.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah, riding without a radar detector, so we're getting a little cranky here.
Let's see if we can get it there.
And boy, I love knowing where they are, even if I'm not speeding.
See, I can hear that.
Yeah, I can hear that. I used to hear Jose's when I didn't have a radar detector, because I was always right behind them. Oh, what a beautiful day this has turned out to be. Wow.
working around those jets.
Oh, I'll bet. This is the
wanted-
best bagel, by the way. I know what the other guys like this place. Best bagels on the East Coast. Give them a free
I
plug.
gotta try it next time.
I'm amazed at how the weather is today. Boy, it's got to be in the 50s even.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my God, it's beautiful out here. It's a Kawasaki festival. Now, if only Luciano had a real Kawasaki. Oh, he does! Hey!
Oh, ZX9.
Oh, wow! Bob, Luciano?
Hi.
You just go back.
7 many years ago.
Is that a beauty or what?
Yeah.
Well, I bought it leftover from Motorcycle Mall in 2000.
Oh,
I
okay.
got a good deal. They gave me a good deal on it.
Yeah.
I paid, I think it was 8,700. 8,700, you know, plus tax. Yeah,
700?
yeah, yeah.
What do you think, Luciano? Should we get it from him?
2000, in 2000. It's a 98.
And he could get historic plates soon. You finally get to see the other side of the motorcycle. Oh, everybody's going to be so happy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, more work, right?
Oh,
look at this, I can't, look at a dumpster. Oh my, a dumpster like this is where my green bike came from.
It's full of garbage. All the garbage.
Oh my God. Certain people complain that they never get to see this side of the bike, so now you get to see this side.
Oh yeah, many times.
Ay, 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 what a lot of work. Anybody that never did this kind of restoration, they think it looks easy when it's done. But boy, along the way.
And then I started looking at his videos, or the video. I saw
Look
him ride
at
on
this.
106, and when
This
he was
bike
following
almost,
you
this
with
bike
the
almost
Ducati.
killed me because,
Well, we used to
oh, this
do-
isn't the one that tried to kill me that day with Doug
Yes,
Winkers.
it was
It
that
is the
one.
one? It's trying to kill me.
We used to do track days together. We
Yeah.
used to do track days way before I met him. So we missed the track days, I tell you.
Yeah, but you're young and I'm not.
He's just whatever.
Exhaust too. It's a little.
Mark, I know you couldn't join us today, but you're missing a great day, my boy. Oh man, you're probably home waxing your bike up. I'll give you a call, an eat your heart out call.
No.
Oh my God, we always got to see what's going on at the Luciano's house. Oh, Chris, I know you're working today. I know you got to make the big bucks. Oh, there's always something to see up here. There's always 3 or 4 Ducatis.
Last fall,
Always an H1.
and the bike is like.
Some R6s. I think he's down now only having 1 R6.
And
But this is the pride of the fleet. This is the pride of the fleet, baby.
they had some bad gas in there in the carburetor. Motorcycle Mall.
Beautiful, beautiful 999.
Yeah, 900. So.
Hey, we got the same compressor. The world's quietest compressor.
Oh, runs like a. Check the whole bike out.
This is in the latest in Ducati race technology. Use a zip tie to hold them off the ride. I don't know about that.
Okay, put new tires on.
Oh, he's got the back wheel on.
So I know it's
The new chain is on. Oh, that's it. Yeah, it is the new chain. What am I talking about?
Well, that happens when the bucket sits for a long time.
It's a labor of love, though, boy. This is a real labor of love.
People put the-
So Bob and I went for a ride today,
away in the winter.
and we decided on the way back. We were up on Clinton Road.
Right.
We'd stop back,
You're supposed to put the
see the monster, and the
I
monster.
missed the train.
So then I was going to rehab and you know. So then I
Always
just said-
something to see at
I said,
Luciano's.
you know, maybe I should, you know.
But it is a
but it's enough.
Kawasaki day if you only knew.
It makes a difference though, you see, and the bars on the R1 are angled down more. You know, these are a little bit more upright.
You can buy.
Stock paint job?
Yep.
There was no, how come, yours had stripes on it, didn't it?
Some of they do. Some of they do.
I guess they made.
One does have nutty.
One more year for historic plates though, right?
I think I might have taken it off the ZX9 off of here.
Oh, there you go.
Look at this, Luciano, the thing that holds the
I
fairing.
had to replace this. And it was loose, and it was vibrating, and it cracked, and I brought it to Motorcycle Mall, and they said, well, did you get your first service here? And I said, yes. Okay, we will replace it. But when it came,
When I get my FZR bodywork, this is similar to the paint job. The ladders, I'll have that. We'll have the Yamaha race team logos.
60s?
Yeah, the 60s, yeah.
The wood.
What did you do? You got the airbox on?
I got the airbox. I'm trying to repaint this part here. I don't know how to paint, of course. Don't know how to paint. And I put a new chain, new sprockets.
I like the way Ducati puts the mufflers on. That's a real weight saver.
Yeah, it was hanging there.
I know.
And I'm getting two nice brackets from, of course, from China. So I can move it because this is an stock muffler. So the bracket in the back doesn't match the hole here, so I can't use it. I have to use the one you can move up and down.
Yes, yes.
And
I may have an extra one. Do you need one?
I got $3 each for
that's
from China. It's
for
gonna take a
$3.
couple
Who needs
weeks.
windy? Right.
I just put the.
The tire came out nice. The hugger fits.
It was a
The
bitch.
tire, yeah.
You know what I had to do? Because of the repress of the swing arm, the bolts didn't have enough clearance on the swing arm.
Oh, so you had to grind
I
them
had
down?
to grind the bolt.
You had to grind this? Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah.
Grind the bolt.
Oh.
It was eating the
Yeah,
swing
yeah,
arm.
yeah. Sooner or later, damage it.
It's
Sure.
all the stuff you have to check out before you put the back on straight. Anyway, I get the new levers tomorrow, the two pumpers.
Yeah, but you made a lot of progress.
Yeah.
And the tank's already painted. Oh, you'll be riding it, and we'll do the seat Friday. Yeah, you'll be riding this in a week.
Oh, this is going to be ready in a month.
You can ride it this afternoon.
After-
Just the tank might be a little small.
This one's bent.
Yeah, I see.
I'm afraid to
Oh, yeah,
could
yeah, yeah.
break. It could break.
If you bend it, heat it.
Yeah. Well,
Heat it with a torch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it will snap. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, man. I love that sound. Wow. Nice. That's beautiful. Wow, nice.
Nice sound. Beautiful sound.
The back had aftermarket gauges. Aftermarket gauges. Totally different from this. They cut all the wire room to adapt the wire.
Now we're home and the long shadows are falling here in Rutherford. What a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoyed seeing Luciano, enjoyed seeing Turbo, Steve, and Bob. Doesn't get a lot better than this. So hope you enjoyed sharing this day with us, and thanks for watching.